I'm going to show you how you can add Binance USD as a payment method on Shopify. Now from Shopify, you want to go to settings. Now on settings, you want to go to payments. Now on payments, you want to scroll down, wait for it to load. Now scroll down and you want to go to add payment method. Now on here, you want to go to search by provider and then you want to click on search and then you want to type in BitPay. Type in BitPay like this, press BitPay and then you can see there's 10 things that's going to be supported here and Binance USD is one of those things. I'm just going to tap on this. I'm going to click on install. Wait for it to load. From here, just click on install. Log in with your BitPay account. If you don't have one, you can click on sign up here. Now you'll have to sign up with a lot of things like your business details and your website and all of your other things here as well. But once you enter in all of the account here and all of the fields like industry, country, organization, employee, and annual revenue, you can click on continue and then you'll have the account connected to BitPay and then you can start accepting payments with Binance USD on Shopify.